In this video, I'm going to show you how to make drop-down menu on Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix website editor. So as you can see from here, this is my website and I'm in my Wix website editor. So let's just go to, so let me just refresh it. So as you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to create a drag down menu for my pages right here. So I want the contact and the general page to be in a drop down menu from About Us. So what you can do is click here on your page. Now click on Manage Pages. And as you can see, I have my pages right here. So to do exactly what I want this contact page to be below About Us and to the right. So as you can see, the contact page is now an A drop down menu from About Us. Also, I want to add the general right here. So just click on X, and as you can see, I only have 3 pages left. So when you go to About Us, it will basically be a drop down menu for the other pages. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.